Welcome to this session. In this session, we will see how the compilation takes place behind the scene in Python. If you have installed the Python on your computer or laptop, you can work with me. If you have not yet installed Python on your laptop or computer, you can just watch this lesson to see how the compilation takes place behind the scene. Once again, if you are installing or if you have installed the Python on your computer or laptop, you can do the practical. So let us begin our work. Here I have created a demo file to show how the compilation takes place behind the scene in Python. Here I have written some lines of code. Let us open with the notepad and see the few lines of code. Let us close this. This is the step 1. Step 2 is open the start menu and click on the command prompt. Since our demo file is in desktop, let us move to the desktop using the command Step 2 is run this demo file using the Python command Python space -m space py_compile. This is the code extension for the compilation, then space and then the file name demo file. The extension for the Python file is .py. Let us press enter. Once we press the enter, you can observe the folder below the demo file. That is nothing but file cache. So this file cache consists of compiled bytecode. Means once the Python compilation takes place, compiled bytecode will be generated in a specific folder. Since our code is in desktop, so the bytecode has been generated inside the folder file cache. Next, the third step is run this compiled bytecode by going within this file cache folder, or you can bring this code outside of this folder and place in the desktop, and you can run the command straight away in the desktop. But I will show you how to go inside the folder and run the command to see how the compiled bytecode will be executed. Let's copy the path. In the command prompt, type cd space, inside the double inverted comma, place the path and then press enter. Now we are inside the file cache folder. Just type Python space and then write the file name inside the file cache, that is demo file.cpython -310. This time use the extension .pyc. .pyc is used for compilation, and also you can see the bytecode generated file as the extension .cpython. So once you write this command, just press the enter to see what is there inside the program or inside the script file. So we have 2 lines of codes with just the print statement, welcome to Python for engineers, and the next line is go from beginner to advanced level. Here the explanation is very simple. Python program runs directly from the source code, so Python will fall under the bytecode interpreted. The .5yc source code is first compiled to bytecode as .5yc, as we saw in the step 2. This bytecode can be interpreted. Python source code .py can be compiled to different bytecode, also like IronPython or Java Python. So there are multiple implementations of Python language. The official one is a bytecode interpreted. So as a concluding remark, Python, especially the C Python, is neither a true compiled nor pure interpreted, but it is called interpreted language because the compilation takes place behind the scene. So just now we have seen how the compilation takes place behind the scene in Python. In the next section, we will start with the actual practical work on Python by installing the Python on our system. So see you in the next section.